I feel it. Oh, I feel it. I feel my dream shaking me. I can see it almost reaching. I know this is where I'm supposed to be. Do you believe that one day your name will make a change? That someone in some way will be better because you came? Do you know that when you leave, you're not fully gone? For when you live a life of purpose, your legacy lives on. Through the lives of the ones you've touched and the hearts of the ones you've reached, your life will be a legacy if you choose for it to be. You see, we are the prodigies of our ancestors' strong working backs who had to bend sometimes but refused to crack. We are the told you so to what they said we can never do or be. We are the light at the end of the tunnel that they said we'd never see. We are the hope that they prayed for, the inherited strength passed down. We are the seat they refused to give up. We found our thrones and wear our crowns. Victory is our name and is from our ancestors' graves who fought for us and taught us that history can be changed. That we can write our stories even when the narrative had a different ending. We can get to the end of hope, tie a rope, and hold to new beginnings. It is us who creates the legacy that we leave behind. Will we be remiss if we forget to remember those who ignited the flame that burns inside? You see, we are the actualization of dreams deferred, the thoughts beyond words, a reason our ancestors smiled and answered prayer, the child who survived. We are alive, and it is up to us to make sure that their dreams keep on living, to breathe into our passions and commit to generational healing. We are ceilings broken, limitless skies, a glimpse of heaven on earth. We are life. Legacy is what you leave behind, but you build it one single day at a time. We are divine, miracle workers, dream pushers, atmosphere shifters. We are purpose. The only thing standing between us and success at our best, we are enough. And if we never give up, we will be the twins to the ones who came before us. Gorgeous minds, intelligent hearts. In a world full of broken pieces, we are the best parts. We are love, freedom ringing from the soul. Although sometimes divided, we are always whole. We are joy in the morning, a song stuck on repeat. We are laughter and fun, just what they thought we would be. And yes, there's always opportunity to improve. We have shown that there's strength in numbers when those numbers are willing to move. Do what you can and you will have always done enough. Give everything that you got and you will have never given too much. We say thank you to our ancestors for giving your best, for doing what's right, never settling for what's left. We appreciate you for fighting before we came. And now we will continue to battle in honor of your name, and not to approach violence sedentary, but continue to stand firm for what's necessary. Not necessarily creating a front line, but also never afraid to stand firm for what's right. You see, he had a dream, and we are a dream come true. He had a dream for a better future, and we're experiencing what dreaming can do. He had a dream for his loved ones, and we are the ones that he loved. He had a dream for his children's children, and now their future depends on us. You see, do you believe that one day your name will make a change? That someone in some way will be better because you came? Do you know that when you leave, you're not fully gone? For when you live a life of purpose, your legacy lives on. Through the lives of the ones you've touched and the hearts of the ones you've reached, your life will be a legacy if you choose for it to be.